Today is 10th August, you know. This day is dedicated to Biofuel Day. We call it a day of biofuel celebration. Just only to make everyone aware of the global warming and the result of global warming due to the overuse of this conventional fuels, fossil fuels, the demerits of overuse of fossil fuels. So you people might have gone through the news yesterday and day before yesterday, all the last three or 4 days we have been watching on the TV the burning of California forest and Greece forest. Everywhere there is a lot of heat produced by global warming. What is the global warming? How is it caused? This global warming is a threat to this world now, to the earth. Why? Because man is using more and more of fossil fuels, that which is converting the whole atmosphere into carbonic world. To avoid this, this day is given as the biofuel day. Why is it for? Biofuel day, just to make every one of us aware of the importance of biogases. You know, it's an alternative for the age-old conventional energy-giving gases. Now, we can get this biofuel from the vegetable waste and from the cattle waste. This gives a lot of less carbon, and it doesn't harm the environment. That is the reason why all the governments, you might have heard, in the year 2018 there was a convention held in Rio de Janeiro, North America, there's Brazil. There was a get together by the leaders of the world to find a way to stop this global warming. And recently we are facing the threat. All the ice layers in the northern hemisphere are melting due to the global warming, and the forest is burning. California forest or Canada, recently Canada forest was burning, and never Canadians witnessed such hot days, and now floods. All these are due to the heavy use of conventional fuels. For that, this day is dedicated to make everyone aware of these biogases, biofuels. Now one scientist recently has made an invention, and he says that vegetable oil also can be used as a fuel, as a diesel, as a means to run the vehicles, to run the machines, which gives very less carbon, which emits very less carbon into the environment. Then second comes our biogases in the villages, the gas which is produced with the bio waste, and in the municipal areas, in the towns and the cities, all the bio waste can be got together and turned into fuel, which can be very much useful for running of the electricity, for generation of the electricity and running of the lights. And in the same way, in the villages also, the farmers, if they can get the bio waste, the vegetable waste, and decompose the waste and get the gas out of it, and that gas can be sent to the kitchen, and that can be used as a cooking gas. So in this way we can reduce the global warming, reduce the emission of monocarbon. So that is why the government has taken government is now taking all the steps, and the central government is giving a lot of subsidy to the state governments, and the central government is asking the state governments to encourage the production of biogases and biodiesel. Thank you very much. Enough?
Yeah, a very good evening to all my dear students, family members, friends, everyone. First of all, I want to wish you all a great biofuel day. So what is biofuel? What is the importance of biofuel? Why we have to use only biofuel? In this video I want to explain to everyone. So before that, if we use other than biofuel, what are the problems which we face in our future? So let us see now. So people have been habituated in consuming more fossil fuels. So by consuming more fossil fuels, that has been dig very deep, so it will be very problematic to our future generations. So due to the combustion of these fossil fuels, carbon is emitted, which is a very dangerous to our Earth's environment. So why? Because we know that sun emits heat and light. So along with this heat and light, radiations also emitted. They will be striking through the rays to the earth, and they be reflected back into the space. While they are reflecting back into the space, the gases like carbon dioxide, methane and some other gases, they just grab the radiations from these infrared rays and some other rays. So after grabbing this, and they will hold up in our atmosphere itself, so which causes to condensation process in reducing of these glaciers, and it also reduces the crop life which we are facing now. Why? Because in the previous days the crop health is very good. So due to this radiations, the soil also will spoil. So my sincere advice is to reduce these combustion of the carbon materials, which will reduce greenhouse effect, which I told you now in this video. So what will be the use of biofuel? So if you use this biofuel, you can cycle it by using them again and again. So always use biofuel in your regular days. So as possible as you can reduce the combustion of the carbon, and also motivate all the people around, in and around you. So this earth will be saved by us. So this is our primary responsibility, to save our environment around us. So go green, use biofuels. Thank you and have a nice day. Yes, and the theme of this 2021 is promotion of biofuels for a better environment. So let us go green, save the environment. Thank you.